Good evening, ma'am. I'm Kirtana. My team members are Diksha, Disha, and Ekta. Today, we are going to present our PBL review 2, which is based on a movie recommendation system using artificial intelligence and NoSQL under the guidance of Shalini, ma'am. So, moving to the introduction part. In the introduction part, we will see so what is our project is like movie recommendation system is about like it is an AI based web application where it will recommend the movies based on the user interests and the preferences. So here user can search the movies whatever he wants. He can search and he can like the movies and he can rate the movies based on his interest, and then he can save the movies to the watch list, and the system is going to provide the personalized movie suggestions based on his preferences, and this will be built by using react, which is react will be used because of the attractive and responsive web pages, and then the python which will be which is friendly with machine learning. So we used python for the backend, and to store the database we have used mongodb, where it will store the data dynamically. And then we have also used a TMDB API, which is the middle layer between the front end and the back end, which stands for the movie database, where it will helpful for the real time posters like will show in the output, ma'am. Then moving to the next slide, that is dataset collection and the description. In the dataset collection, we will see whatever the dataset we have collected is from the Kaggle website, and then here the dataset always contains the movie details and the credits informations. So movie details like includes movie title, genres like sci-fi, horror, comedy, romance, and all. Then it is overview of the any movie, and then the ratings of the movie. So after the credits information, which includes cast and crew, which means cast includes like whatever the who is the actress and the actors involved in it, and then crew information is about like who is the director, producer, and then music director, like kind of a things it will include. And then here we have used two types of data sets, which is first one is a movie data set, which is about like movie title and the genres overview and all, and the credit data sets where it includes cast and crew information. Here we have also used a TMDB, which is a special API key which will be used for real-time posters and trailers. Next will be continued by Disha.
Hello everyone, I am Disha. Now I will continue with the proposed system. This describes the overall working of our system. So the system creates a seamless loop or continuous loop between the user interactions and the recommendation engine. So first is the user login. The user enters to the platform or the system through the user login module, in which he can put his credentials like email ID and the password, and then the user module provides an secure authentication to the user, and provides the personalized access to the features according to the accounts. And then the research and interest phase. In this phase, the user can search its movie titles and like the movies, make the movies into the watch list, and add to its favorite and all. Next, these informations are all stored in the data storage module. So for data storage, as Kirtana told, we used MongoDB. So MongoDB we prefer because it can efficiently store the data and the large metadata of the users and the movie database. Therefore, last is the recommendation engine. So this recommendation engine analyzes the user's activity, which is stored in the data storage, and provides the recommendations, provides dynamically generates the recommendations based on the user's behaviors and personalized information. So next slide. So next we will move on to the system architecture and workflow. So here we have a workflow where the user enters the movie search. Movie search query, it is entered into the front end. In this system, there is a client server architecture. Means the front end front end takes the information from the Python backend to process the recommendation. So when user enters the movie search query into the front end sends that query into the backend. So it requests the backend. Next, the backend processes the recommendation logic because the backend that is Python has the recommendation logic. It determines what type of recommendation should be given. Next, the backend retrieves the information from the MongoDB in which the user activity are stored. And then it also collects the data set and the metadata of the movie from the TMDB API to provide the movie informations like the movie's genres, number of likes, and cast and the description of the movie. And finally, the backend provides our recommended movie to the front end to the user. Next slide will be continued by Diksha. Thank you.
Hello, I'll be explaining the modules of the system. First the authentication module. Here, it handles the user registration and login, maintains the secure user sessions, and stores the user account details safely. Next, front end UI module. Here it will it provides like Netflix style user interface, displays the movies, posters, trailers, and recommendations. And it is built using the React and Vite for responsive design. Movie search module. Here, it allows the user to search the movies quickly, and it supports the keyword and fuzzy search. It shows the matching movie results instantly. And watch list and rating module. Here, the user can rate, and save the movies, and it stores the user preferences and the activities, and it helps to improve the recommendation accuracy. And then MongoDB database module. Here, it will store the user data and watch list and ratings, and it will maintain the movie interaction history, like the history which we have watched. And it will support the fast data retrieval. And TMDB API module. Here it fetches the real-time movie information, provides the posters, trailers, ratings, and cast details, and it keeps the movie data updated. Recommendation engine module. Here, it is the core module of the system, and it uses the content-based filtering and cosine similarity, and it recommends the movies based on the user interest and the previous activities. Overall, it works like the user logs in and searches the movie, and then the user interacts by liking or rating the movies, and then the backend will process the data, and the MongoDB will store the all the user activities. And then the recommendation engine, it will analyze the preferences, and TMDB API, it will provide the live movie details, and then the personalized recommendation are displayed. Next slide will be continued by Deeksha.
React and Vite to create a fast and interactive user interface. The backend is depicted using
Camera.
Flash.
ದೀಕ್ಷಾ
Yes.
ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಟರ್ನ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
On ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹೌದಾ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್.
ma'am, one minute.
ಓಕೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹಲೋ.
ನನ್ನ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆನಾ? ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಏಕ್ತಾಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ನಂಗೆ ದಿಶಾದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವನ್ ಕೀರ್ತನದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪ. ನಾನು
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಆಗ್ಲೇ.
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಪ್ಪ.
And Diksha, here we can see the implementation and integration of the movie recommendation system. The front end is developed using React and Vite to create a fast and interactive using interface. And the backend is implemented using a Python Flask for handling server requests and processing data. Here, MongoDB is used to the database to store user information and movie details. The TMDB API is integrated to fetch live movie posters, trailers, and movie data. And the recommendation system uses content based filtering and cosine similarity to provide personalized movie suggestion. Moving to the next slide. This slide shows the final result of the system. Here, user can search for movies like KGF and Spider-Man and get personalized recommendation. And then the system allows users to rate, and add movies to their watch list. Then real-time posters and trailers are displayed using the TMDB API model, and then overall this system provides an interactive and user-friendly Netflix-style experience. Thank you.
Ma'am, here I will explain the real-time working of our web application. Ma'am, this is a what our code. When we double click on that of the bat file, where it automatically, ma'am, it will automatically install the dependencies like both front end and back end. It will run automatically, and it will redirect to the page. Ma'am, this is the working of our web application, whereas this is the front end where it there will be lot movies will be trending movies will be displayed here in the dynamic, ma'am, in the dynamic way. Next, here this is the what is the search bar where you can search the movies. First you need to log in here for better recommendation. You need to log in here. Based on this, after the login, you can search the movies like I will search the movies like Spider-Man, ma'am. Ma'am, I will get the movies, a list of movies which is named as Spider-Man, like Spider-Man, No Way Home, Spider-Man, and these are the movies where I can get if I search the movies. For me, it will recommend, ma'am, personalized recommendations based on my interest, based on my preference. There is a movies that will be referred by the AI. Here we have used content-based filtering and a TF-ID of, and then another one is the cosine similarity algorithm, ma'am, where it will be very helpful. Like content based filtering will be used for recommendation purpose, and TF-ID of is the algorithm where it will be used for where the whatever the data set is there na, in the movie data set, that will be converted into numbers to find the similarity between the movies what I have watched and the what that will be recommended. And the same, that is cosine similarity algorithm is also there, that is also finds the similarity between the similarity features between the two movies, and it will recommend the user, ma'am. Then watch list, like if I have, so if I get this, this is the home page of our web application. It will shows the trending movies where I can like the movies, and I can also add the movies to the playlist with the ratings like 7.8, 6.9, 8.2 ratings, and whatever is the language it will also display, ma'am. Like it is available in Telugu, and what is the genre of the movie, like action is also action, like It's also shows like sci-fi movie. It is kind of sci-fi movie. It also shows the ratings like top genres, and the new releases also. It will like it will ask the user, ma'am, like if you are not sure what to watch, then AI. This is the what the main goal of this system is to recommend the movies by using the artificial intelligence. So it will based on the if you click that, it will give the personalized recommendations based on that. Wait, mama, it will. So you first I will want to add this to the watch list. Like first loading movie details. Ma'am, if I play the movie here in the server 3, it will play the movie, ma'am. So, ma'am, it will play the movie in the server 3. There will be multiple servers will be available, ma'am, because a lot of when the load increases, lot of people will be watching the same movie. So there's what in load increases. That's why to maintain the load, there will be servers will be there which are streaming. So after this watching, it is a runtime error. It is. So if I already watched the movie, it will show like ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾರ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಿಷ
ಮೇ ಬಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರಂದ್ರೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗೈತೆ ಕಣೆ ಒಂದು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂಲೆ ಏಕ್ತಾ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಲ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಇರು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಕಣೆ ಕಾಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಂದು.
ನಾನು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ನಾನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ, ನೀನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, 12:30ವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾಳೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ 11:30ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು 11:30 ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಿಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೌದಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹಾಂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಹಾಂ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.